Welcome to episode 9. Maps, key value pairs everywhere. Maps are the most common data structure in Clojure. Keyword keys, assoc, dissoc, update, and getin for nesting. Every operation returns a new map. Let's start the REPL. Curly braces, keyword keys, values. Get retrieves a value by its key. A keyword can look up itself, shorter and idiomatic. Assoc adds a new key value pair. Dissoc removes a key. Update applies a function to a value. Getin reaches into nested maps. Control-D exits. Now let's write maps.clj. 2 comment lines. Create a user map with name, age, and lang. Access section, get, and keyword as function. Assoc section. Add an email to the user. Dissoc section. Remove the lang key. Update section. Increment the age by 1. The original user is unchanged. Immutability. Nested maps, a profile with an address inside. Let's run the file. The full user map prints first. Name is Ada. Age is 30. With email shows the new key added by assoc. Without lang, dissoc removed it. Birthday bumped the age to 31. But the original still says 30, immutable. City is London. Get in reached into the nested map. Maps are how you model data in Clojure. Episode 9. Complete. Quick recap. Curly braces and keyword keys create a map. Keywords double as lookup functions. Assoc adds, dissoc removes, update transforms. Getin navigates nested maps. Every operation returns a new map, immutable. Thanks for watching episode 9. Like and subscribe for more Clojure tutorials. Next up, episode 10, sets.